Alright guys, we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla. Came up with the lean code and random multiple misfire. So we run the smoke test, nothing was wrong with it, and we run the fuel pressure test, and it came up to low fuel pressure in the fuel rail. So we decided to replace that fuel pump. We already took it off. It's located here in the back seat, under the back seat. You need to take off the back seat. All you need to do, put the screwdriver and just force it up, both sides, on the other side and this side. It's kind of tight, but you're not gonna break it. Just don't worry. Pull it up and take it off. Put it aside. So the new fuel pump is gonna come with the new gasket. The gasket goes here. I already cleaned it up in that groove, and in order to disconnect that vapor hose, you need to pull this tab up and it's gonna come off. That's the main fuel line. It goes to the fuel pump and it's gonna hold with that kind of clip. So with the tip tool, with the pick tool, you need to grab it and pull it out gently, very gently. Do not break it, because you're gonna have a problem and the line is not gonna stay in because of too much pressure. So and then you wiggle it, make sure not to splash the fuel around. Try your best as much as possible, and then you're gonna take it off. Installation is not gonna be that hard. Just make sure you put it at the right direction, put it back together, put the gasket again first, and then that one. So this goes on top of that. I usually go with the old-fashioned way. I hammer it back all the way tight, but there is some kind of special tool like that, like fork, and then you can put it there and tie it back up. And what else I'm gonna tell you, make sure you disconnect that line. It's gonna tab right here, push the tab and pull it out, and whenever it's done, clear the code, drive it. I mean, always you need to check all the factors when it comes to system tool lean code and random multiple misfire. So the customer already replaced the spark plugs, ignition coil, mass airflow meter sensor, and all this stuff. But again, the code was keep coming back, and whenever the vehicle get warm up, it's kind of like shaking, hesitating, it doesn't want to go. So I run the fuel pressure test. It was too low, below that what it's supposed to be, and I believe that was like 15-16 psi, which is way low for that kind of vehicle. Factory recommendation. Anyway, that's gonna be a quick summary regarding how to replace the fuel pump on 2013 Toyota Corolla LE 1.8. Thank you guys again for watching, and I appreciate you as always if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, so you're not gonna miss this kind of video. See you next time.